Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize the way you cook, or at least, make it a whole lot easier. We're talking about the LAMPCOOK Automatic Rotating Cooking Pot, or as it's sometimes called, the Auto Cook Pot. This is a new concept pot that automatically rotates and cooks, and it's proudly made in Korea, a country known for its innovative kitchen technologies. Now, the core idea behind the LAMPCOOK is simple yet intriguing. It's designed to stir your food for you. Think about those dishes that require constant stirring, like risottos, stews, or even caramelizing onions. Usually, this means standing over the stove, stirring diligently, which can be tedious and time-consuming. The LAMPCOOK aims to take that labor out of your hands. Let's break down what makes this pot unique. The most prominent feature, of course, is its automatic rotation mechanism. It has a built-in motor that gently turns the contents of the pot, ensuring even cooking and preventing food from sticking to the bottom or burning. This is particularly beneficial for dishes where the consistency is crucial and uneven cooking can lead to a less desirable outcome. Imagine a perfect, creamy risotto without you having to lift a finger to stir. That's the promise here. The design itself is quite modern and looks like it would fit well into many contemporary kitchens. It's constructed with what appears to be quality materials, and the fact that it's made in Korea suggests a certain level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The pot's internal mechanism is discreetly integrated, allowing it to function without being overly bulky or complicated. Functionality-wise, the LAMPCOOK is designed for versatility. While it excels at dishes requiring stirring, it can also be used for slower cooking processes. You essentially place your ingredients in the pot, set it to cook, and the rotation takes care of the stirring. This frees you up to prepare other parts of your meal, clean up, or simply relax. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of a device like this. On the pro side, the biggest advantage is undeniably the automation. It significantly reduces hands-on cooking time for a variety of dishes. This is a huge plus for busy individuals or anyone who wants to enjoy home-cooked meals without spending all their time in the kitchen. The promise of more even cooking and reduced risk of burning is also a major draw. For some, it could even encourage them to try recipes that they might have previously avoided due to the constant stirring requirement. The Korean manufacturing adds a layer of confidence for those who value quality and origin. However, we also need to address potential cons. The new concept nature of this pot means it might have a learning curve. While it automates stirring, understanding the optimal cooking times and temperatures for different ingredients and recipes will still be essential. It's not a magical appliance that cooks entire meals perfectly with no input whatsoever. You still need to add the right ingredients in the right order and set appropriate heat levels. Another consideration is the capacity and type of dishes it's best suited for. While it can handle stews and risottos, it might not be ideal for very dry stir-fries or dishes that require a different kind of cooking action. The rotation is gentle, which is good for preventing sticking, but might not be aggressive enough for certain culinary techniques. Cleaning could also be a point of discussion, as any automated appliance with moving parts can sometimes be more challenging to maintain than a standard pot. We'd need to see how easy it is to disassemble or clean the rotating mechanism. Furthermore, the initial investment for such a specialized appliance might be higher than a traditional pot. You're paying for the technology and the convenience it offers. It's important to weigh this cost against the potential time savings and improved cooking results. In conclusion, the LAMPCOOK Automatic Rotating Cooking Pot is an innovative kitchen appliance that tackles the common problem of tedious stirring. Its automatic rotation feature has the potential to make cooking certain dishes significantly easier and more enjoyable, promoting more even cooking and reducing the risk of burning. It's a fascinating concept, and for those who frequently cook dishes that require constant attention, it could be a game changer. However, like any new technology, it's important to understand its limitations and integrate it thoughtfully into your cooking routine. Link in the description.